Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Spocket account for your dropshipping business. So to get started, I'm going to add a link as the description of the video. So just go to the description of the video, click the link. When you click the link, it's going to bring you up to a page like this. So what I want you to do now is click on this button that says get started. So when you click on get started, it's going to redirect you to where you can actually enter your email address and enter your name. So here I'm going to enter my email address and I'm going to enter my name. Then I'm going to click on the sign up button. So once you enter your email address and if you enter your name, it's going to bring up something like this, and here they're going to ask you if you want them to build a Shopify store for you using AI. So what I'm actually going to do is click on no, continue without it. So once you click on that, it's going to bring out the niches you want to create your Spocket account in. So for example, if you want to be selling woman clothing, if you like to sell toys, or if you like to sell tech accessories, so you can just browse through all of these and choose the one that best define the kind of store you want to create. However, you choosing one of these doesn't mean your store is going to be limited to this. So as a matter of fact, you can actually click all of the above. Then once you select the one you want, all you simply need to do is just click on continue here. So here they're gonna ask you, do you want to use US and EU supplier, or you want to use supplier on AliExpress, or you want to make your dropshipping store a white label dropshipping store. So based on the one you want, all you simply need to do is just choose them here. If you choose AliExpress, they're gonna ask you to install the Ali scraper to continue. So the Chrome extension is what you'll be using to import product from AliExpress to your Spocket and Shopify store. So here I'm just going to choose US and EU supplier. So after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on continue here. So here they're going to ask you, what part of the world do you want to sell to? Do you want to sell to North America, which is the US, Canada, and the like? Or do you want to sell to Europe, or you want to sell to Asia, or you want to sell to global? So I'm just going to choose global because you can actually sell to North America, Europe, and all of the other parts of the world at the same time. So I'm going to click on global here. I'll leave it at global. Then after that, click on continue so we can proceed. So here they're going to ask you to choose a pricing plan for your Spocket account. So as you can see, they have 4 pricing plans. So they have the starter plan, which is $39 per month, and they have the pro plan, which is almost $60 per month, and they have the empire plan, which is the most popular, which is $99 per month, and the unicorn plan, which is almost $300 per month. So for the first plan, this is what you're going to get. So all of them comes with 0 transaction fee. So you're going to gain access to 7 million products catalog. Then you'll be able to sell 25 unique products. Then you could also add AliExpress dropshipping to your store. So you gain access to 24/7 chat and email support. So for the pro account, it comes with 250 unique products that you can add to your dropshipping store, and it comes with every other thing in the starter plan. So the third plan gives you access to 10,000 unique products, and it also comes with 10,000 premium products. Now the premium products are winning products that you can actually sell. So the premium products are actually winning products and out-selling products that you can quickly sell to see good profit with. So here again, you can also integrate your store with eBay. You can have unlimited store, unlimited order, VIP chat, and email support. So here, which is the last plan, the unicorn plan, gives you access to 25,000 unique products, 25,000 premium products, unlimited store, and every other thing in the previous chart. So what you want to do is, or what you need to know is, I have the plan that you choose. It comes with a 14-day trial. So you can actually test Spocket for 14 days, and if you're okay with the platform, you can go on using the store. And if you're not okay with Spocket after or before the 14 days, you can actually downgrade your account. So I'm going to click on the starter. So here I'm going to click on start for free, which is the starter plan. So here is going to redirect you to where you can actually enter your payment method. So here I'm going to choose PayPal because I'm going to be subscribing with PayPal. So once you've done that, what you want to do is click on claim trial here. All right, so I've just made my payment and it's trying to upsell me to upgrade to annual plan. So I'm just going to click on no, continue with the monthly plan. All right, so this is my dashboard. So here, this is where you can find your US, EU products. If you want to go with AliExpress product, you can actually come here. And if you have access to the winning product, you can also do that here. Then if you want to start your white label dropshipping business with Spocket, you can you can also do that here. So here, this is where you're going to find your import list, your product, your import reviews, your live product, your orders, and notification. If you want to, if you're chatting with your supplier, you can check the chats here. Then this is your store. So when you click on your store here, then you'll be able to link your store with Shopify. So if you're building your Spocket Dropshipping store with Shopify, all you simply need to do is enter your Shopify URL here, then click on continue. So it's going to link your Spocket account to your Shopify store. So if you are yet to create your Shopify store, I'm also going to add a link at the description of the video. So it comes with a 30 days free trial that you can use to try out Shopify platform. All right, so this is basically how you can set up your Spocket account and start using it for your dropshipping business. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.